Unity explores. Pack your backpack. Grab your passport. Let's go! Yeah, today's adventure mission. We're exploring everything that begins with the exciting letter E. Our special letter buddy today is... Can you help Ellie discover all the letter E treasures? Let's go explore! E, E, E. Everybody shout E, E, E. Let's learn the letter E. Recess, recess, clap your hands today. Recess, recess, hip hip hooray! E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. E is for egg, hop, hop, hop. E is for eagle, flying so high. E is for earth, reaching for the sky. But not high, point down low, trust a big E, now watch it grow. Big E, little E, you can do it, say yeah. E, 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 everybody shout E, 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 E. Let's learn the letter E. Says recess, recess, clap your hands today. Says recess, recess, hip hip hooray! G stomp, 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 stomp. Diddy hop, 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 hop. Diddy flap, flap, play spin around. Jump one time, jump two times. Wave your hands way up high. Every day we learn and play. Explore together all the way. Excited hearts, big bright smiles. On an E is for us, go the extra mile. Can you find something that starts with E? Chatty elephant, chatty egg, to the eagle, to the earth. Awesome job, mission almost complete. E, 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 everybody shout E, 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 E. Let's learn the letter E. Says recess, recess, beep, beep. Today says recess, recess. Great job, mission complete. You helped Ellie the elephant find all the letter E treasures. Now it's time to collect your letter E sticker. Only stamp your Unity adventure passport. You're one adventure closer to becoming a Unity Encouraged Preschool graduate. Passport stamp. Mission complete. Unity explorers can't be beat. Keep learning, keep creating, keep repeating. Keep citizen, never stop exploring. I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye, Unity Explorers.